Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use DHgate with PayPal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Paying with PayPal on DHgate is a straightforward process, but it's essential to note that not all the sellers accept PayPal. In order to do it, what you need to do first is head over and open up your DHgate app, and then be sure to be logged into your DHgate account with your DHgate credentials. Then once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is simply browse through the list and then select an item, and then simply tap on add it to cart or tap on buy now. Then once you are there, what you need to do is tap on buy now once again, and once you are here, what you need to do is choose PayPal as payment method. Once the payment page loads, select PayPal as your preferred payment method. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials to access your account, then review the payment details including the total amount and shipping address, then confirm the payment to complete the transaction. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.